Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Uh, our whole Google Ads series is going on. If you want, you can go and watch it. So in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about Google Ads account preference. So let's dive in. So for accessing preference option, we need to go to this option called Tools and Settings and go to the Preferences option. Here, what you can do actually, you can customize your account as per your requirements. Like if you want to change display language and number format, you can do it, but I'm keeping it as it is. And you can customize your account name. Like I am giving our account name as Analytical Growth and saving it. And hopefully you will not be able to customize time zone because they will give you an option while create an ads account. So you cannot edit it further. So yeah, so this is account status. Your account is active. So if you want to cancel your account or deactivate your account, you can click this button called cancel my account, but I don't need to do it. So this option is protection contacts. So what you need to do, actually, you need to fill up the form, and yeah, you need to fill up this form for uh, data protection contact, but I'm not doing it. And the last option is Google Ads policy suspension, or you can read the suspension procedure, why they suspend your account here. I'll give this link to the description box so that you can read Google Ads policy about account suspension. They have they have a detailed guideline about account suspension, so you can go and read this. Okay. So the last option is notification option. So they will send the notification to this email. Okay. So I would request you to enable all the options here. It has already been enabled and I am enabling this on. Okay. Yeah. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any query, you can comment us. Okay. Have a good day. Bye bye.